Hey everyone, Kristen here with Luxe Fifth Wheels. I am a factory direct representative. I am standing here in the 45 FB and just want to kind of take a tour with you along this one and show you a little bit of what we have going on. Inside here we have the beachfront cabinetry mixed with the gray island here, the peninsula, and the gray buffet. It is shaker style. We do have a raised style panel as well. A lot of the questions I get asked are what's inside of the cabinets inside the 47 and the 45 FB. So I want to open these ones here just to show you here what's going to come standard. So you're going to have some fixed shelves in here with a piano hinged door. This is a very large cabinet right here. You can do fixed shelves, adjustable shelves. And then right below here we have our coffee nook. Come around here is our full pantry. We have the nice pull-out drawers here. They are dovetail, soft close. You're going to have all of your hinges on the bottom for added structure. You're going to have no OSB or particle board anywhere in our coaches. Up here, we have adjustable shelves. Again, we can do more of the drawer style as well, or we can do fixed shelves. We have the 24-inch residential oven. Standard's going to be the induction cooktop. We can also do a 30-inch oven if you would like. You have the 30-inch convection microwave above that is vented outside. Over here we have a single bowl composite sink. Standard is going to be that double bowl stainless sink, but we can do double, we can do singles, we can do apron sinks. Your sink covers here will fit nicely under this silverware drawer tray here. So you just lift this up and those will go right under there nicely for when you're not using those. They added a flip up countertop here. You have a wireless charging port. Coming around here, this is something that we don't see a lot in our 45 and 47 FBs. This is going to be a televator here. So when you do the televator option, it's going to give you a window behind and a window on the side. I'll let Aaron go ahead and bring that up for you so we can see how that works. And also to mention these side curtains, if you do not like those, they are Velcro. You can just pull them down if you do not want those. You'll have the 5,000 BTU fireplace. It has a subwoofer behind, and you got the LG soundbar. The 45 and the 47 FB is going to come standard with the upgraded Lambrite furniture. So you're going to have the love seat over here. We have done desk options over here as well. You're going to have the theater seating over here. This does fold up if you would like to lounge. Added storage below. Carpet is going to be standard on this slide right here. You can see that they have option for the marine grade flooring. This is what they use in yachts. You can spill red wine, spaghetti sauce, and it easily cleans right up. Coming over to the buffet table, this does pull out. It has 2 additional leaves. You just push the button below and pull it out. So if you are seating 4 people, you can do so. And then you have storage on either side over here. And then you also have outlets. There are going to be outlets all over in this coach. You're going to have USB and 110 outlets, combos near all the seating areas and next to your bed. I want to come up here into the bathroom. We have the upgraded residential paneled shower here with the wood teak seat. Standard is going to be a one-piece seamless fiberglass. I want to touch base on your points of water. You will have access to all of your shutoff valves at each point. So for your sinks, your bathtub, underneath your sink in your kitchen, you do not need to go outside to your pass-through storage to turn that off. Coming over here into the master bedroom, I want to point out our walls. They are 3 inches thick. They are a closed graphite infused insulation. You're going to have a wallboard that is standard in the toy haulers here. You have a king size bed that does come up for storage. I have a lot of people who will close off this center overhead right here. So if maybe you want more storage, you're not the knick-knack type of person, you can go ahead and do that. This is the standard setup for the toy hauler. It is a little snug. Some people do recommend that they want a little bit more room. So you can do a vanity pop-out slide right here if you'd like, and do like the elite style walk-in closet. And then you could put the washer and dryer on either side, or put the dressers and do your washer and dryer in the back. But in this model right here, you're gonna have this very large closet. It's very deep with a hanging rod. You're gonna have drawers below, and again, all dovetail soft close. Those are pretty deep drawers. And then you are going to have the washer and dryer right here. You have a 32-inch TV that will pull out right here, so it's stored away when it's not in use, and then you'll have the drawers below. Most of your outlets you'll see that are not on the wall, they are going to be tucked up under and along the side of the beds there as well. And then you have the 12-volt reading lights. You're going to have Whisper quiet ACs, all low pro AC, so your coach is going to be 13.3 in height. And then all of our doors, again, are solid hardwood. And you're going to have barn doors for the bedroom and the bathroom. And I'm going to take you down here to the garage so we can take a look at what's in there. Before we head into the garage, I want to touch base on this part right here. So the loft entryway is actually going to be from your living room. Let's say that you don't want your loft entryway from the living room. You can access that from the garage if you'd like. Just let your rep know that's what you want to do. We can close this off and add more storage if you would like. Coming into the garage, this is a 10-foot garage on the 45 FB. If you were to do the step above entry stairs, keep in mind that it is going to take about 9 to 10 inches away from your width. If you're putting bikes, golf carts in here, a lot of times people will keep the standard roll stairs that go down to the bottom so that they're not taking up that extra width inside their garage. Standard is going to be this Happy Jack bunk system. You're going to have the 2 sofas below that do come out to fold into a bed, and then you have the bed above. They have added a 11K AC up here so that they can have some air in the garage, and also a fantastic fan that was added. Standard, you're going to have your cross ventilation in all of your toy haulers. The standard diamond flooring is going to be in here. We can also run that tile all the way through here if you want to make this more of a residential space. You're going to have an entertainment center that is going to be located in the garage, and all of our toy haulers at standard, which is going to come with your stereo system, your subwoofer, your speakers. Over here is where you will control all of your Happy Jack bunk system. This one is for your AC. They have added the in-command system. This is the electric touchpad. So if you don't like the toggle on and off switches for the lighting, you can upgrade to the ASA touch panels. So this is the 45 FB. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to have Erin take you outside and take a look at the outside.
Thanks, Kristen. Welcome to the exterior look of the Luxe 45 FB toy hauler, which currently this coach is for sale, and a link will be in the description below for you to view it in our inventory. Starting at the cap, we have the optional Gen Y hitch. Now, for the 47 and the 48 FB, this hitch is standard. In our generator bay, we have the Onan generator, and to the right is the equalizer system for our jacks, which are color-coded and not daisy-chained. Here we have one of the 4 cameras for the optional 4-camera system, next to one of the 2 4-pound fuel tanks, into the pass-through that has plenty of room for a MORride tray slide should you choose to add one. Each side of the pass-through has access doors to allow ease of serviceability to wiring and plumbing. At the main entrance, there is an upgraded step-above stair, an elongated handrail, and above we can see the entry camera, scare light, and the marine-grade speakers. Over here we have the outside TV accompanied by a 110 outlet. The line you see across here is our floor line, and on other brands you might see their screws exposed, and we chose to cover them up. Helps keep them tight and in place along with some gasket glue, and they're all individually done in sections. Swinging down here we have an LP disconnect and a spare tire. Now this toy hauler was given our Elite scheme, which if you watch the channel regularly, you'll know that the standard paint scheme for our toy haulers is a base color and a small sweeping accent. For those of you that are newer to our channel, coaches are painted with automotive grade full body paint, 2 clear coats and a wet sand buff. All that on top of our high gloss fiberglass walls and no stickers makes for a beautiful coach. Lastly, we have the ramp, which is rated for 3,000 pounds, and in the patio position, it's 1,500 pounds. Thank you for joining Kristen and I, and if you have any questions about this Luxe 45 FB toy hauler, drop a comment or give us a call at 844-2 284-6678.